Alright, welcome back guys to Clear Obscure Expedition 33. Part 6 na tayo, let's go. Pagkakatanda ko, dito yata ang daan. Sana di tayo mali. Pwede naman tayo bumalik kapag nagkamali tayo. Wow, 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 wow. Ay! Alright. Last time sobrang lakas nito niyan eh. Ni Ciel eh. Focus Portal. There you go. Ah. Hip. Hell yes. Buhay ka pa. Wait lang. Skill. Plentiful Harvest. Yung pinaka-useful na skill dito eh. Yung Focus Portal, tapos Plentiful Harvest. Yung Plentiful Harvest kasi, medium physical damage lang siya. Pero, 2 hits to. Tapos, pag kukonsume niya yung 10 cards dun sa nalagay nitong Focus Portal, kukonsume niya yung 10 cards and then i-convert niya sa AP. Bibigay niya dun sa buong team. I-distribute niya sa buong team. So, Plentiful Harvest. Boom! There you go. See, puno ang mga AP namin. Wala na to. Isang baril na lang to. Bang! Ay, buhay. Oh! Takin mo na nga lang yan. Yon. Tapos si Gustav ko, meron siyang lifesteal. Let's go. May daan dyan. Dito pa kanan. Dito yata ako dumaan nung last time eh. Kaya umikot ako eh. Ito yung mga Okay. Thunderfall muna tayo. Thunderfall. Perfect. Perfect. Overcharge? Wala pa. Lumiere Assault lang tayo. Boom. Of course, Focus Portal.
Here's your card.
Boom, 10 agad yan, di ba? Aray ko, hindi nakatalon. Oh my gosh.
A storm is coming.
Okay, elemental trick tayo para ubusin yung shield. Plentiful Harvest. Yeah, mag-harvest na tayo ng AP. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Eh di punong-puno tayo ng AP ngayon, di ba? Marking shots natin 'yan. Bang. Aray. Ferrari, you're dead. Salamat ka, may shield ka. Aray ko, nauna ako ng pari. Mayhem, hindi, Thunderfall lang. Hindi. Elemental kasi may mga shield sila eh. Kailangan kong tanggalin yung mga di ba? Tanggal. Tapos ngayon Spectral Sweep natin to. Weakness, patay yata yan, boy. Grabe, 20 card yung binigay nun.
Careful now, Gustav. Danger.
Punong-puno eh. Kailangan mo na ba itong patayin? Patay. Overcharge, para magamit naman yung overcharge mo.
For those who come after.
Let's go. It's over. Alright. So, dyan tayo, alam mo dito tayo dumaan nung last time eh. Same din. Pero dito, may pababa. Ay, hindi. Hindi. Yan lang yung daan papunta dun sa sa may makukuha ng something. Uy! Nadikitan tayo agad nun. First strike muna tayo. Bang! Bang! Sa'yo. Bang! Oh, patay ka na, boy. Punong-puno ng mayhem na kaya natin to. Huwag na. Tanggalin muna natin yung shield. Alright. Kailangan ko ng life. Barilin mo muna to. Tapos atake mo. Basic attack. Para magkaroon ng life. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, Gustav. Focus portal natin to. Aray ko! Ha!
It's locked on you.
Aray! Ah! Ano, basag? Okay, plentiful harvest. Yung boy pa, boy. Kailangan ko mag-heal. Atakin muna natin to. Yun. Aray!
Let us stain them.
Oh. Tanggal na kaya yung shield nito sa Thunderfall? There you go. Tanggal ang shield niya. Kailangan ko ng spectral sweep natin yan. Punuin natin ng card yan. 20 po. Potok ang buhay. Grabe, lakas talaga ni CL. Ito, pabalik yata ito eh. Baka dito yung tamang daan. Ang importanteng skill dito yung mga pampakunat, tsaka pang heal, pang self heal. As much as possible yung pang heal passive para hindi mo ma-waste yung turn mo sa pag-heal. Pero hindi mo pa rin maiiwasan na mag-heal ng item kapag lalo na malakas yung kalaban. Dito na ba tayo? Pabalik yata ako eh. Ayun Save muna ako. I need to rest. Upgrade attributes. Pasaan? Si Lunay lang ang 4. Siya pala nag-level up. At saka ka na. Hindi naman. Hindi ko ginagamit si Mael. Ba yun? Pabalik to. Pababa tayo dito. Kung alam mo saan ako pupunta. Ito. Habulin na natin ulit to. Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka mapupunta? Pabalik-balik siya. Layo na. Ako saan mo kami dinadala. Ikot-ikot lang ha. Kailangan bang atakihin? Baka pabalik dito. Kaya natin pabalik dito. Ikot-ikot lang siya dito eh. Lumayo na naman siya. Saan ka pupunta? Pabalik na naman siya dun. Ay! Saan ka ba pupunta? Hala. Paikot-ikot ka lang. Kakainis. Uy.
Wow. That
Color of Lumina. May kalaban sa baba. Don't forget that. Ang lawak ng lugar. Meron ba dito? Oof. May akyatan ba? Ah, may patawid doon. Ah, daming daan. Ikot muna tayo dito. Kalabanin muna natin yung sa baba. Ito. Kalabanin muna natin to. So, anong kalaban? Anong kalaban ko na ba to? Sana ano lang. Isang kalaban. Ay, kasama na siya. Ano yun? Grupo. Grupo na tong dalawa na. Ah, kailangan ko mag-heal. Ay tayo dito. Wala pa kasi itong ano. Sige, heal ka na lang muna. Nice one. Tapos ikaw, may bawas ka ba dito? Walang bawas eh. Tapos atakihin mo na lang yan.
Here we go.
Nice one. And then, ito, Focus Portal. Nice. Pari. Aray. Patay ka ngayon. Ooh!
Heads up, Sia.
Aray. Ek. Masakit. Ano yun? Shield?
Storm is coming.
Heal mo si... Yan. Good. Tapos ito, Plentiful Harvest mo.
Give me a light.
There you go. That's how you do it. Lumiere Assault. Ito. Focus lang muna tayo sa isa. Overcharge. Kainis, di ko ma-champion yung una. Patay ka ngayon.
Dodge, Sia.
Oh my gosh! Oh no, that's bad. Underfall. Ito na naman siya. 2-hit combo. Nice one. Nice one, Lune. That's okay. God damn it. Overcharge. Hindi, atakihin mo na lang muna si ito. Whoa. Attack. Ito muna. Para makapag-heal ka ng konti. All allies. Wala ka ng ally, boy.
Let the ink flow.
Kaya naman na siguro natin to. Kaya na may shield siya. Buhayin ko na lang muna si... Hindi, kaya natin yan. May overcharge si Gustav eh. Elemental trick natin to. Para maubos lang yung shield niya. Nice. And then overcharge. There you go.
For those who come after.
4,000 lang ang kunat. Grabe. Goodness. Hindi ka magkanalo kay Gustav. It's time to revive. Wala, finokus talaga. Patay ka ngayon kay CL. 2-4 din yan.
Full deck.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Spectral Sweep. What now?
Second wind.
Careful now.
Mayhem. Sige, Mayhem na nga natin. Ay, may shield siya ulit eh. Burahin mo muna. Then, Mayhem. Wala na palang AP to. Yan, mali. Hindi ko nakita yung AP niya.
Lune, attention.
Ang hirap ng timing.
I die, so be it.
Kailangan mong mag-AP ba tayo? Consumes all foretell to increase heal by 5%. Okay. Puno ang buhay nito. Boom! 2566 ang heal. Heads. There you go. Now, let's try that again. Kailangan ko mag-heal. Tingnan mo, puno yung buhay niyo. Grabe talaga yung CCL. Skiel ba? Skiel. Ano pala dito? Hindi ko nakikita to. Now you go ahead. Where are you going now? Baka dito. May pupuntahan ba dito sa taas? Nababaril ba to? Hindi siya nababaril. Matakbo lang talaga siya. Paano ba kaya to? I wonder. Bahala ka nga dyan. Matakbo lang siya eh. Wala siyang pinaglalandingan. Baka kailangan nung may sirain dito. Wala ba? Wala naman eh. Hindi ko gets kung saan siya kailangan pumunta. So dito siya pumupunta palagi. Meron bang kailangan ba sa akin dito? Wala naman. Sa ikot yun dito. Bahala ka na nga dyan. Hindi ko gets. Ano yun? May umilaw dito. Ito paikot. Ito yung paikot kanina. Yung dinaanan din natin kanina dito. So, may mga secret dun. Ito na yung tamang daan. Tama ba? Tama ba ang aking hinala? Tapos mayroon ditong kailangan i-unlock. Saan na yun? Ito. Saan yung mga lock niyan ngayon? Yun, isa. Dalawa. Another one, last one. Walang clue. Walang clue kung nasan yung last one. Ayun. Found you. Ayo. There you go. Give it that to me.
Nice.
New weapon. Kay Mael. Hindi ko naman ginagamit si Mael. May papunta dyan. Tayo muna natin dito. Secret way yata yun eh. Wala ditong daan. Boy. Hindi ito ang tamang daan, boy. Paikot yan dito. Ikaw, saan ka pa talaga pupunta? Wala ka naman pupuntahan eh. Kasi yung last time, hinahabol ko lang eh. Hindi ko alam. Oh, di ba? Matakbo lang siya. Wala ka dyan. Dito ba yung nakita akong merong ano, akyatan? Ay, may pa pala to. May kalaban. First strike. Kailangan mo mag-heal. Wala ka ng pang-heal. Wala ka ng buhay. Lumiere Assault. Hindi. Kailangan mo munang ano, pagbabarilin tong mga to. Patay. Okay, attack this. Ay, hindi. Wala na eh. Hindi ko din tatamaan to eh. Pag inatake ko eh. Ito na lang atakihin mo. Wala din, no choice tayo eh. Focus Portal.
Here's your card. Careful now.
My goodness. Aray.
Careful now. Gustav.
Kakainis ka. Thunderfall natin yung dalawa na yan. Patay ang isa. Tanggal ang shield. Plentiful harvest ba natin? Plentiful harvest. Hell yes, sir. What? Lumiere Assault. Ito na naman siya, boy. Let's go, CL. May shield ka pa din. Tanggalin natin to. Meron pa akong AP, kala mo. Patay ka ngayon sa akin. Mayhem! Let's go! Okay. Alam ko, ito yung pabalik eh. If I'm not mistaken, ito yung pabalik. Palabanin natin to ulit. Shit. Kailangan ako mag-heal.
Elements converge.
Mali. Pala, pinokus ko yung isa. Utang ina. Tak.
Brace yourselves.
Focus mo lang to.
Danger. Tune me in.
Harvest po tong merong ano.
Unusual life.
Okay lang yan. That's okay.
Careful now.
Nice one. Patay.
Careful now, Gustav.
Putang ina mo. Ugh.
The storm is coming.
Wala kang mga skill? Wala. Ayan.
Full deck.
Sayang.
Danger.
Puta.
For those who come after.
Shield ng shield. Diyos ko po. Wala ka pa din ano?
Feel the fur.
Maybe.
Here we go. I saw your future.
7,000. Ano? Tayo mo na yan. Okay. Dito ba yun? Sa taas? Teteng, naligaw na ako. Ito ba yun? Dito ba yun? Oh, yes. Okay. I just need to heal. Dahil may kalaban to. Kalaban yata to. Hindi. Abandoned and incomplete. And trapped in stone. Quite the situation I'm in, right? If you don't say something in the next few seconds, I shall knock myself to sleep. How did this happen? I do not exactly know, but I can certainly guess it has to do with the mistress. Perhaps you could tell us a little bit more. Oh, you want to know more? Just a moment. I'm wondering what I could ask in exchange. You're not really in position of power here. A poor threat, sadly. In my weak and incomplete state, anything could kill me at this point. The others, they possess shiny, shimmering rocks glistening on their back. Why I lack the same luster, I do not know, but it maddens me. We could potentially help you with that. I hope you can. The cavern might be your best bet if you could find 3 of these lustrous rock. Oh, I will be magnificent. 3 rocks? How do I even find that? Naliligaw-ligaw nga ako eh. Pahanapin mo pa ako ng rocks. Upgrade attributes. Learn new skills. Please pa siya. Rest na muna tayo. Okay, let's go down. Finally. Nakita din natin yung daan. Ano? Hirap eh. Mas nahihirapan pa ako mag-explore eh. Kesa sa pang battle. Alright. Haba nun ah. Kalaban na naman dito. Tayo natin siyang tumalikod. Huwag na nga. Huwag na natin din. Tayo. Ganon din naman yan. Diba? Focus muna natin tong Lumiere Assault muna natin to. Yan. Focus muna natin isa ha. Huwag kayong makulit ha. Wildfire. Emulation mo muna to. Yan.
Feel the burn.
Resistant nga pala to sa fire. Ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Ito.
Here's your card.
There. Makamatay na yung isa. 2-hit combo. Ah! Ito ang makulit eh. Ang daming shield. Ouch. Sige, pwede mo na tong patayin yung iba. Thunderfall mo to tong isa. Hindi, wag. Wag Thunderfall. Wildfire. Makamatay kasi. Makamatay yung nanakawan natin ng AP. Ito na lang muna.
Brace yourself.
It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Oh no! Kapos sa plenty heart. Kailangan ko mag basic attack ngayon. Lumiere Assault.
Careful now. Gustav.
There you go. Bawas ang isang shield. Nako, panamatay. Hirap talaga tsempuan yung 3 hits combo niya.
Storm is coming.
Namatay ang source ng AP natin.
Lightning. Strike. Here we go. Two-hit combo, kaya natin to. There you go. Goodness. Careful now. Gustav. Take cover.
Pwede mo na tong i-overcharge. Ay, hindi eh. Wag. Lumiere Assault muna natin to. Okay.
Careful now. Gustav.
Shield again. Emulation.
I'll do it.
Nice one. Woo! Okay, AP. Plentiful Harvest. Hell yes. Katapusan nyo na. Dito na kayo nagtatapos. Overcharge.
For those who come after.
Sala.
Overflowing with energy.
Bad trip. Kanina ka pa.
Careful now. Gustav.
Get ready.
Two-hit combo. There you go. Ooh. Skill. Sealed Fate consumes at 100 more damage. Wala na to, patay na itong mga to eh. Patay siya. Marking shot. Boy ka pa ba sa marking shot? Boy pa siya, boy. Oy. Nag-shield pa tuloy. Pinaglawan mo pa kasi, Gustav eh. Na, tayo na yan. Under 4.
Lightning. Strike.
Strike! Hell yes. Isang malaking area na naman. Ay, is that? Nakita niya na ako agad. Hindi ko pa nga siya nakikita. Focus. Patay. Lumiere Assault. Ito muna.
A storm is coming.
Storm is coming. Thunderfall, of course.
Lightning, strike.
Strike.
Tune me in.
Focused.
Here's your card. Dodge Gustav. Careful now, Gustav. I'm ready.
Makulit kayo. Elemental attack.
Tune me in.
Plentiful Harvest. That's how you do it. Lumiere Assault.
Lune, attention.
Makulit yung ano. Ang daming shield nitong loko-loko na to.
A storm.
Ako nagpapatama na lang ako dun eh. Para may dagdag AP pa eh. Mayhem. Emulation na lang natin. Resistant.
Hey.
Wait lang. Oh. Spectral Sweep. Tibag.
Careful now, Gustav.
Patay. Nice, pari. Level up ba yun? Naliligaw na nga ako. Di ba tayo sa madilim ni ano? Napunta. Meron dun sa baba. Ito.
We can use that.
We can use that, of course. Whoa, what was that? Bagong kalaban? Shit. Boss. Ang teteng ah. Kailangan akong mag-heal lang muna. Ay tayo dito, boy. Consumes all,
Here's your card.
Heads up, Sia.
Hindi siya nalagyan ng card. Ayun, nalagyan siya ng card. Okay. Healing. Healing muna tayo. Tapos, harvest.
Give me your ride.
Plentiful harvest. Patay! Ano yun? Boss ba yun? Grabe. Nakakalam ko boss yun ah. Grabe naman yun. Takot na takot pa ako. Heal pa ako ng heal. Eto na ang boss. Yan ang boss oh. Mukhang boss talaga. Kailangan ko na mag-heal para hindi masayang yung mga what? Join na luck eh. Okay, good luck. Ito na talaga ang boss. Ano, ginoke time ako nun ah. Marking shot. There you go. Elemental attack. Wala siyang kahinaan. Focus Portal. There you go. Oh my goodness. Wala akong napari. Aray ko po. Sakit. Tanggal. Ouch.
Okay.
1,000 sa ilalim. Kahinaan niya, Dark. Oh, ito ah. Grabe siya. Lumiere Assault lang muna tayo.
Careful now.
Ito na naman siya. Oh. Aray. Mayhem ni, kulang pa eh. Healing. Heal mo na to, mamamatay ito eh. Mamamatay yan pag na-burn eh. Whew.
I'll use your light.
Kailangan kong overcharge na ba to? Patay ito eh. Overcharge, sige.
For those who come after.
There you go. Saan nabuti na lang, malakas yun. 1 AP on parry but damage received is doubled. Oh. Kailangan ko sigurong equip kay Gustav yung ano,
That will help.
yung try na nga natin. Kasi may gusto kong i-try dito kay Gustav eh. I-equip ko yung asan na ba yun? Pictos ng staggering attack. Meron ditong ano eh, confident. Take 50% less damage but can be healed. Tapos hindi na ako magpa-parry or dodge. Tatry natin kung gagana pa yung lifesteal sa kanya. So ang nawala sa akin, staggering attack. 50% increased damage on ano. Oh. Meron pa nga ako augmented counter. Pero parang hindi naman nakapasok yan eh. I-try natin yan. Lagay natin yung confident kay Gustav. 50% less damage siya pero can't be healed. Pero hindi naman sinabi yung lifesteal. Kaya kailangan ko mag-heal ulit. Yun na yun? Yun na yung boss na yun? Hindi ko nga na-parry. Hindi ko nga na-perfect parry. Uy, ano to? The manor. Examine. What do we have here? Oh! New outfit. For Mael, na hindi ginagamit na bangko. Ano to? Walang iba? Papalabas na ako dito. Ito pa rin yun eh. Stone Wave Cliffs. Oh. Ito nakalaban yung ano, 'di ba? Yung boss. I don't understand. Where do I need to go? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just bumalik tayo ulit dito. Yun yung binabaan natin kanina. Yun yung papakyat. Now, saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Naulit yung mga kalaban eh. 1794.
Ready?
Focus Fortel.
Here's your card.
Brace yourselves.
Careful now.
Okay. Simulation.
Feel the burn.
Kailangan ko palang itry si Gustav kung nakakapag ano. Kung nakakapag lifesteal pa rin siya. Hindi na siya nakakapag lifesteal. Okay. So hindi siya na pangit yung kailangan ko ng lifesteal kasi.
Lightning strike.
Makunat nga si Gustav pero wala siyang ano, passive skill na.
Here's your card.
20, grabe. Hindi na talaga siya nakakapag-heal. Oh my. Powerful. Okay. Kaya natin ulit. Wala na.
It's locked on you.
Now, kailangan kong pumili kung kailangan ko ba ng 50% damage palagi para kay Gustav or patay ka na dapat ah.
Ready.
Ready. Sealed fate mo na yan. Yun lang. Parang gusto ko pa rin yung ano, yung uy. Malayo pa pala yun. Sige, pwede din. Pwede din yung ganitong build para kay Gustav. Kailangan ko lang tanggalin na yun. Sayang kasi yung ano,
It's coming.
yung Lumina. Lumina points ko. Thunderfall.
Lightning strike.
Here's your card.
It's locked on you.
Good job, Gustav. Elemental attack. Ito, patayin mo na to.
Elements.
Although hindi talaga siya mamamatay. Shield. Okay. Plentiful harvest.
Give me a ride.
Overcharge. Ito, wala ka ng shield eh.
For those who come after.
4 or 5. Tsaka ang daming shield. Hindi ako mag-shield. Mahina lang yan, boy. 55. Kaya lang ano ako. Stun. Ow! Wow, 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 wow.
Chroma is flowing.
Buhay pa din tong loko-loko na to.
Lightning. Strike.
Let's play.
Okay. Patay mo na nga ito. Diba? Patay siya.
Dodge Gustav.
Mahina lang yan, boy. Oo, puno ang AP ko. Walang shield si Gustav. Aray ko po! O, mayhem mo na to. Kaya lang, elemental trick lang muna mata.
Elements. Converge.
Ang daming shield, Diyos ko po. Aray ko. Ang daming shield. Mga 20 ka ngayon. Ano ka ngayon? Lumiere, assault mo na to.
Brace yourself.
Okay lang. Punong-puno na yung AP ko. Damage siya sa akin.
Chroma is flowing.
Mayhem, walang shield. Ay, wait. Mayhem nga eh. Mayhem, wala siyang shield oh. Boom, baby. Hindi ka nagsawa sa shield mo. Kanteteng ka. Shield fate na kita eh.
Your fate is sealed.
Boy po din.
Chroma is flowing.
Hindi na nga siya nag-heal. Gumagana pa yung ano. Gumagana pa yung skill na yun, pero hindi siya nag-heal.
Feel the burn.
Tapusan mo na. Wala akong AP. Yun lang. Ikaw na bahala dyan. Let's go. So kailangan kong tanggalin yung ano, yung life steal. Meron ba akong skill na ano, nag-agro ng ano, kalaban? Ito kailangan ko lang tanggalin. Palitan ko ng 1 AP on parry but damage received is doubled. 25% increase attack. Augmented first strike. Damage on first hit once per battle. Energizing start. 1 AP on battle. Healing parry. Recover. 3% health on parry. Energizing jump. Chance to apply mark on pre-aim. Chance to burn. Burning. Perfect dodge. Gain powerful for AP and killing enemy. Healing tents also remove all status effects. Base attack applies defenseless for 1 turn. Breaker, 25% increase break damage. Energizing start. Play first. Kailangan ko tong ano eh. Tanggalin yung lifesteal. Magko-confident ba tayo? Or magla-lifesteal? Kasi yung lifesteal hindi na siya nag-aano. Okay, tanggalin na natin ano, lifesteal. 50% increased damage on the first hit once per battle. Okay, tapos tanggalin natin yung wala naman na. Confident 20 kasi. Wait lang. Energizing pain 20. Then 35. Okay. Huh. Critical burn. Four pa to. Augmented aim. Dodger. One dodger. Augmented aim. Burning shot. Okay. Pakita tuloy ng build ko kay Gustav. Pero, gumagana naman yung confident tsaka energizing pain. Yung energizing pain kasi, hindi ko na kailangan magpari. Kapag tinatamaan siya, lalagdagan siya ng AP. Tapos, at the same time, take 50% less damage palagi siya sa lahat ng attack ng kalaban. So, kailangan ko lang i-boost talaga dito yung yung life tsaka defense kay Gustav. Siya yung magtatank. Tangkihin niya lahat 'yan. Kung meron lang ditong skill na na pwede siyang mag-shield sa attack ng kalaban, mas okay. Uy! Grabe, hindi umabot. Well. Focus strike.
Here's your card. Careful now. Dodge Gustav. Careful now. Gustav.
Yes, I know. Relax.
Heads up, Sia.
Punong-puno ako ng AP. Diba? Lakas na ni Gustav. Ang dami kasing AP. Papatama lang na nagpapatama. Thunderfall.
Lightning. Strike.
Okay. And then Plentiful Harvest, of course. Hell yes, sir.
I'll do it.
Nice one. Bang! Basag ang isang shield mo.
Waiting.
Get ready.
Aray. Okay. Shatter ulit. Patay na kayo na. Boom! Yan na. Lakas na ni Gustav. Skill na lang ng skill.
Lightning. Strike.
Teka lang. Ang tanong,
Unusual life. Okay.
Take cover.
aray ko po! Hindi ako nakatalon. Makulit ka talaga, ha? Broken ka ulit. Heal mo nga. Ito, try mo nga hi-heal. Hindi siya nai-heal. Yun lang. Kung patay-patay na. Oh, man.
Here's your card.
20 yan, boy. Yun lang ang pangit doon.
You can use that.
Hindi na ako nai-heal kahit anong heal ang gawin. Oy, who's that?
Glory
Oy.
is over there.
Okay. Upgrade. Focus lang tayo sa life, syempre. Gusto hindi nag... Ay, ba't dito nag-ano? Okay. Learn skills. Wala bang passive skills si Gustav na nabubuhay? 50% health and dispel status effects. Hindi na gumagana yung heal ko eh. Dapat 50% damage yung mga kalaban. Pero hindi ako nakakapag-heal. Teka lang. Baka ito may pang-heal to. Wala ka pang passive. Puro damage ka lang ba? Ikaw. Wala ka bang pang ano? Rush. What is this? Senses an ally of their status effects and okay. Alright.
But I sense something scary.
Something scary. My goodness. Boss fight. Huh. Matatry natin kay Gustav yan. Kaya nakatakot nga. Finally, nakita ko din sa wakas yung boss. Ang weird ng ano ah. Puro kamay ah.
Let's get rid of him. The rock should be nearby.
Hell yes, let's go, Lamp Master. Wala siyang ano. Taniman natin agad ng portal ng ano ng cards yan.
Take your shot.
Ooh! Bang! So ano ang lakas ng bawas.
Try. Dodge
Aray
this
po.
stuff. Dodge is scary. Dodge this. So ano, no much na to ah. Joke lang. Elements. Converge.
Paulan naman ng ano, paulan naman ng halo-halo yan.
Oh wow.
Focus Mortal muna ulit.
Here's your card.
Wala, hindi na dagdagan. Ah! Ah! Ow!
I'll do it. Take cover.
Careful, Lucas.
Okay. Nakabawas disease and a status effect that makes it harder for the character to aim. Hindi naman ako mag-i-aim eh. Wala nga lang ako kung ano.
Feel the burn.
Kailangan mo nang mag-plentiful, plentiful harvest ka na, boy. Wala tayong AP. Ayun. Ayun. Haha.
Take your shot.
Aray ko!
Yourself. Let us stain them.
Uy! Dizzy siya, oh. Wala ka pa rin ano? Mamamatay na naman si Ciel, ah. Oh, exhaust. Ang dami mo namang status effects.
Dodge yourself. Dodge yourself.
There you go.
I die.
Oh,
Be it.
Spectral sweep. Teka. Mag-ano ka, mag-heal ka, mamamatay ka eh. There you go.
Gustav.
Kayang-kaya ko yan i-receive. Tank to eh. Oh, 68. Sus. Masyado mahina.
Look out. Look out. Dodge yourself.
Dahil na pinaglalaroan ka ni Gustav. Overcharge na to, boy.
For those who come after.
Bang! Let's go! Stand ka ngayon. Sa akin ng bawas kay Gustav yan, walang bawas. Wala pang 100 yung bawas.
Easier than expected.
Hey, don't jinx us. No need to invite misfortune.
I don't see any stones.
What's happening?
Okay. Phase 2.
Misfortune.
Let's go! Stand ka pala eh. Tingnan natin kung paano kalakas yung bawas. Boom, 34? Anong klaseng bawas yan, boy? Hindi lang, atake lang. Ako to, patay. Exhaust. What are you doing? Wala akong pang heal. Small.
Let's keep going.
And then, kailangan ko mag-hurt.
Unusual.
Kahit wala pang card, kailangan ko mag-heal eh. Nice. Patay tayo dito. Aray ko! Ow!
Not looking good.
Not looking good. Okay.
If I die, so be it. I'll use your knife.
There you go.
Look out.
Ay, gagi. Patalon pala yun. Patay tayo dito ah. Ilulit. Oh my god, 2,000 patay. Oh no.
That hurts.
Oh no. Kailangan mo buhayin yung ano.
Let's finish this.
Dati po. Hindi ako mag-shield.
take risks. Danger!
There you go.
Let's push forward.
Mayhem, hindi pa. Wala na tong buhay. Mag-heal ka ulit. Diyos ko po.
Here we go.
Focus portal. Aray. Ow. Overcharge ulit, boy. Yung sa wakas. Wala naman akong mayhem. Diyos ko po. Ewan ko lang kung tama yung ginawa ko. Nag-skip ako. Para mawala lang yung ano niya. Para hindi ko lang mawala yung ano. Yung stun niya. There you go. Overcharge. Let's go.
For those who come after.
There you go. Diyan ang tibay ni Gustav. Deal 50% more damage if health is below 10%. What? Na parang okay yun ah. Parang pang kay Gustav ulit yun ah. Maganda, maganda.
Is it really dead?
Looks like it.
Is this it?
Florrie. All right. Ready to sail like a snail. Just jump, mes amis. It's not that high.
We can finally cross the sea. You don't happen to have some wine stashed away, do you?
Wine?
Hey. You can do this.
I hate water.
She doesn't seem that far now. Does she?
Yeah. Wanna throw one more rock?
The others are waiting, but
You might reach her.
okay.
Hoy, hey, 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 talon na, boy. Tumalon na kayo, boy.
Ooh,
Time to escape.
that one.
Tsaka nakakatakot yung kalaban, boy.
Does it really matter?
Oh no. My God.
Like I always say, it's not about the rock. It's more about
Holy shit, man.
Gustav.
run.
Tak na, patay siya eh, ano. Doctis. God damn. Seryoso, mamamatay ba si Gustav?
Please run.
you doing this?
What? Laban ba sila? Uy, what? Naglaban nga. Wala nang buhay. Diyos ko po. Ano ipapalag natin dyan, boy? Takin mo na lang. Basic attack lang.
We've done nothing to you. We should be on the same side. Let her go.
Iniskilan pa eh, no? Walang bawas.
Something's going on up there. Eskie, get us up there!
I can't.
Holy shit, boy pa. What? What? Manalo tayo? Sana no match ka pala eh. Yun lang. Oh, napatay niya? Tumusok siya sa bato, di ba?
For those who come after. Right?
No. You promised!
What? Namamatay ba si Gustav talaga? Seryoso ba to? God damn. There you go. It's over.
No.
You won't yet understand. But this is a kindness, not a cruelty.
What is happening?
You let her come. You know she's too weak for this. How could you let her take such a risk?
You only care when things are right in front of you. My sweet child, you were supposed to stay home. I told you not to worry. But since you're here now, just stay put.
What are you saying? You must go home, now. This does not involve you.
When this is over, we'll go home together.
No!
What? Nasaan na si Gustav?
what's best for our families. I'm sorry you're caught in the middle, but I did try to warn you.
Who? What? Who's that? Who's that?
It's been a while.
Ha? Magkakamukha sila.
Stay out of this. You chose to walk away.
Kala ko si Clive eh,
You don't
ng Final
get to
Fantasy
come back
16.
now and interfere.
You've lived more than a lifetime. It's time to let her go.
A lifetime. A lifetime with my family torn apart. No. I want my family back.
It's not your family. But she is.
What? Ang gulo na.
Use her. She chose to come. I didn't make the rules between you two. Hey. You alright? It's okay. I'll handle things here. Get back to your friends. Go.
So that's it. You've set us down this path. But are you ready for the consequences?
She'll never paint again.
Oh my god. Ano ba tong mga to? Sino ba tong mga to? Napatay na talaga si Gustavo. Hell. Bakit camp? What?
Last time we sat together like this.
In Lemire, mourning our parents.
Seems like every time we're together, it's to grieve. I wish we could have spent more time in less hopeless contexts.
The plan doesn't change. We aim for the monolith. We keep heading north. With SKA's help, we can make it. But we lost the Lumina converter, so...
It's okay, we can think about that later.
All the backups were destroyed by that man, but Expedition 32 will bring more. Their chances will be better. We need to prepare them. I should update our journals, but...
Hey. It's okay. Tomorrow will still come.
Ciel,
This seemed important. If you want to reach the monolith, the best path is through the quarry up north.
who are you?
And where did you get that expedition uniform?
Strange way to say thank you. Sorry I couldn't save your friend. I'm wearing an expedition uniform because I, too, am an expeditioner.
What? What do you mean you're an...
I've never seen you before.
First expedition. Expedition Zero.
Expedition Zero. But how are you alive and not...
Old? I don't know exactly, but some of us stopped aging and were not affected by the Gamage.
Some of you? Like the man on the cliff.
Anwar, our commander.
Why? Why did he massacre our team?
How could he turn on his own people?
He believes his immortality is a gift from the Paintress. Killing her would kill him too, and he enjoys living forever.
And you don't?
Burying everyone you know while you live on can weigh you down a bit. I couldn't help your friend, but perhaps I can help you.
You want to join us?
If you don't mind the company. Yes.
So, if I want to kill Renoir, I have to kill the Paintress first. What's your name?
Verso.
Verso. Act 2. Ano kadami yung act nito? So si Verso na yung Gustav ko? Tama ba? Shit, siya na nga. Siya na nga. So wala na talaga si Gustav? Oh my gosh. Who is this? 72. Vitality. Learn skills. Parehas ba kayo ng skills? Yes. Ko po. Iba ang skill. Assault 0. Deals low single target damage. And dispel status. Deals low single target damage. One hit. Uses weapons element. Parehas lang. Parehas lang. Yung single damage hits. I need to learn a lot. Oh my gosh. Perfect recovery. Dispels. Deals though. Okay. Physical damage. One hit gives more perfection. What is this? Deal single target damage, light damage, 2 hits. Use 1 to 3 AP back. Huh? That's useful. Deals very high single target light damage, 1 hit, can break. Deals medium single target physical damage, 3 hits. Damage is increased for each health verso is. Oh, I like that. This high single target damage that applies mark, 2 hits. All allies and applies them to Verso. Applies powerful. Deals extreme light damage to all enemies. Use current rank. Huh? Sinks rank to A and refills all AP. But sets self health to 1. Huh? Hindi ko maintindihan ah. Low single. Damage that applies mark to 5 more. Gains 1 rank. Hindi ko maintindihan yung ano yung skill niya, boy. This is an ally of their status effects and propagates the target's buff to all allies. Wala pa to. Kailangan pa natin mag-level up pa. Kamusta yung Pictos mo? Anong nakalagay na Pictos sa'yo? Parehas. Patay na nga si Gustav. Energizing augmented first strike. What is this again? 50% increased damage on first hit once per battle. Ito. Deal 50% more damage. Yan ang kailangan ko. Yon. So meron pa ako isa. Meron pa ba akong pwedeng i-apply dyan? Wala na. Okay, at death's door, confident, energizing pain. My gosh. Naging si Verso na ang bida. What's up?
Mon ami! Oh, you've put on a lot of weight.
I could say the same for you, you giant marshmallow. Bet you lost your stones again.
You know me. But now you're here. We can go find them.
Yeah, buddy. We'll find them. Tell me, did you tell them about... you know what?
Oh, Maman's the word. I promised.
Great. I'm counting on you.
Always, mon ami.
Spend time with SK. What? Okay, yes.
Verso, mon ami.
Mon ami.
SKA, mon ami. I feel like I haven't seen you in years.
3 years, 67 days, and roughly 10 hours.
10 hours and 7 minutes.
Oh, you've been counting too.
Roughly.
What have you been up to? Did Francois finally move out and get his own cave?
What have you been up to?
I have been perfecting the art of napping.
Impressive. You must teach me his secrets.
Mon ami, I wish I could, but napping cannot be taught. It can only be experienced. We must nap together.
Sure. That sounds nice.
Yes, yes, yes.
So how did these expeditioners convince you to leave your cave?
They're all so nice. Well, the super nice one died, but the others are cruel too. You can make some friends too. It's been a long time since you made new human friends.
You know what I think about friendships with expeditioners? I don't need more friends, I have you.
You know what I think about friendships with expeditioners.
Losing a rock is better than never having a rock. Ask me how I know.
Debatable.
I hope we won't lose them. Like the others.
So, you lost your stones again. How did you lose them this time?
Yeah. I lost them on our trip back from the Chestrel River, right after you left.
Don't worry, I'll help you get them back. I brought your stones back 10 times now. Are you losing them on purpose? Huh?
I brought your stones back 10 times now. Are you losing them on purpose?
I lose them so we can go on more adventures.
That's a good reason. To adventure then.
What is this? You need to build
Adventure!
relationships now. What's up? Ayaw nila makipag-usap. Tayo kay Faceless Void. What's up? Upgrade weapons. Do I need to upgrade them? Napalitan na nga si Gustav, naging si Verson na. Abiseram. 437, grabe. Sige, level up natin yan. Sorry. 148. Lighterm. 408 pala. Dapat pala ito hindi na, ano ko. Kaya lang wala kasi itong wala siyang element. Yung Abyssera merong element for 50 increased damage on rank D na no damage increase on other ranks. Ito pwede natin i-upgrade. Upgrade natin. Nagamit natin siya eh. Pwede pa siyang i-upgrade ulit oh. 351 na yung damage. Hindi, umaya na yan. Ito muna. Chat yun. Alright. Upgrade mo pa ulit yan. Wala na. Oh, may pang-upgrade pa ulit. Yun. Ubus ang pang-upgrade. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Baka mali ako na upgrade ako ng upgrade ng weapon. 10 Color of Lumina. Verso. Sige, buhos man kay Verso lahat. Ayan. Tapos pwede na tayo mag-equip ulit ng bagong Pictos. If ever. Ganda yung build ko kay kay Verso eh. Gustav. Tank build. What's up? Did I find some? Wala. Saan yung isa? Okay. Si Mael. Ayun. Hello?
Expedition Zero left 67 years ago, which would make you...
About 100. Yeah.
Tell me about the fracture.
I'm not going to get much sleep tonight, am I?
Expedition Zero...
About 100.
Tell me about the fracture.
Okay, yun na yun?
I'm not going to get...
Wala na. Pabalik na ako sa camp. Bahala ka dyan. Ayusin ko muna ulit yung Pictos ko. Quick strike. I'm not sure kung anong kailangan i-equip na skills. Berserk Slash deals medium target single target physical damage. Damage increase for each health Verso is missing. Ito yung kailangan ko. Quick Strike deals low single target physical damage, one hit. Gives more perfection. Gives 0 to perfection. Target damage and gives 1 to 3 AP. Marking Shot. Tanggalin mo na yung Marking Shot. Defiant Strike deals high single target physical damage and that applies mark. Perfect Break deals low single target damage, 5 hits. Paradigm Shift deals low physical damage. Yan. Perfect Break deals very high single target light damage, 1 hit. Gives more perfection, regains 50% health and dispel status effect. Wala naman tayong panghil eh, kaya okay na yan. Wardrobe. Bago ba? Ayos na yan, boy. Rest tayo ulit. Ay! Kalimutan kong ayusin yung Luminous. Kasi pwede pa akong mag-apply ng 11. Empowering attack. Gain powerful for 1 turn on base attack. AP on first strike. Exposing attack. There you go. Ayos na yan. Ay first strike na tayo. Ay ano pala. AP on battle start.
I'm really sorry it didn't arrive sooner. He was your brother?
Something like that.
Losing family is difficult.
I know. I know what you're going to say. You want to offer your condolences. You want to say something comforting. But I don't need it. I've had enough condolences. I've lost so many families now. I just need... Can you please go?
What? Gustav? Kaninong book yun? What? Critical hits deal 50% more damage. Okay. Huh? SK ability unlocked. Swim. Okay, pwede na siya mag-swim. Lah, di man lang na-experience ni Gustav ano, sumakay kay SK.
Head for the monolith. Through the quarry to the north.
Habang nag-swim. Wait, ano yun? Tayo nandito nga pala. Ay, okay. Andun yung cliff. So, saan tayo? Head to the north. Go there? Okay. Oh. Hey! Let's go swim! Ano ba dito? Head to the north down daw eh. Ayun man sinabi kung saan tayo pwedeng pumunta eh. Lawak, boy. Ano tayo sa north? North. Doon ba yun? Uy. What is that? Pwede ba natin basagin nun? May harang. Ito, hindi tayo pwede pumunta dito. Dahil may mga sword. Baka dito nga tayo pupunta. North daw eh. So, ito na yon. Depende. Mayroon pa ba ditong ibang bababaan? Wala na. Ito nga yun siguro. Hello? What up? Skirt. Para kanina yan? Ah, okay. Kaya ano? Hey.
An advantage.
An advantage. Go through the Forgotten Battlefield to continue to the Monolith. Forgotten Battlefield, parang yun yung nakita ko kanina. So, hindi dito. Wala dito eh. Forgotten Battlefield, ito yung Forgotten Battlefield malamang. Ayun, no? Diba? So, kailangan na natin dito dumaan. Nakalaban dito. Ito ba yung Forgotten Battlefield? Check natin. Oop. Blades Graveyard.
Acceleration!
No, it's not. It's not Forgotten Battlefield. Ito lang mukhang ano yung Battlefield dito eh. Try natin yung kalaban dito. Try natin si SKA. Boss fight ba to? Nag-aabang lang sila. Grabe, dami na agad AP. Verso gains perfection every time he deals damage or manages to parry or dodge. A higher perfection rank increases his damage. Some skills have additional effects at specific perfection ranks. Taking any damage removes one perfection rank once per... Ah? Parang ano? Para siyang tawag dito. Contradicting yung build ko kay Gustav na tank build para dito kay Verso. Yun lang. Kailangan akong barili mo na to. Oh my gosh. Bakit ikaw ang nandito? Wala si Ciel. Ha? Patay tayo dito, boy. Wala si Ciel. Thunderfall mo na lang parehas.
Careful now.
Nice one. Mayhem na agad. Oh, nag-heal. Nahil. Hinil mo din. Nahil siya eh. Defiant Strike. Very highlight damage. Gives more perfection. Kaya pa saan na makikita yung perfection niya? Patay. Per se. One hit. Applies 3 burn.
Precision.
Careful, Verso.
I don't care. Mahina yan, boy.
Elements. Converge.
Punong-puno na ng AP tong loko-loko na to. Defiant Strike, 2 hits. Defiant Strike, high. Cost 3%. Parasay, patay. Energizing Pain, no longer gain AP on parry. 1 AP on getting hit. Okay, hanggang dito na muna yung part 6. Thank you guys for watching. Right. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.